Why are you so passionate to be involved in this? I mean, you joined the project a year ago, didn't you?
Yes, I did. I come from the chemical industry, the traditional chemical industry. For 20 plus years, I've been selling chemicals that have not always been very good for the environment. And today I want to change that. I want to put chemistry into action to develop products that are going to be there for the future to help the planet survive.
Sandrine Garnier, you are the CEO of Floreon. It's really brilliant to be talking to you. Just explain in the briefest form what it is you guys do.
Yeah, a plant-based engineer plastic company that was born from a knowledge transfer partnership with the University of Sheffield about 12 years ago. We are now in the commercialization phase, really pushing our products into the market, and excited to be talking to you today.
And what are these products?
So these products are made from plants. So we start with a polymer called polylactic acid, PLA in short, and we transform this PLA, which typically today you would find in application in single-use plastics, such as packaging or plastic cutlery. Our flagship product is a product called Therma-Tech. Therma-Tech is the first in its kind. It's allergen-free. So it's been formulated with an allergen-free flame-retardant additive, and it's suitable for applications such as 3D print filament or injection molding. And you can use the material as a drop-in for ABS, PC ABS, high-impact polystyrene. By dropping, I mean, you don't need to change the tooling. All you do is replace one polymer by the other. The benefits are several kinds. You get 7 times lower carbon footprint. You are processing at a lower temperature. Typically, ABS, fossil-based plastic, would process at 230 degrees C. With this plant-based alternative, you're processing at 185 degrees C. So there is an energy saving, which means we have a Scope 2 and Scope 3 emission reduction.
How many products do you intend to launch?
Today in our range, as you can see behind me, we have 3 products. Therma-Tech is a flagship product. It's the fire retardant grade, allergen-free, UL 94 V0 rating. I know this is a very specific certification for the plastic industry. The second grade is Duratech, very high performance in terms of mechanical strength. Both Therma-Tech and Duratech are recyclable, chemically and mechanically. And then you have Biotech, which is more your traditional bioplastic. This one is compostable industrially, and very soon we will also have a grade that will be home compostable. We are part of the overall solution. So this is the first stage in a long journey ahead in terms of environmental sustainability.
You're French. Why does it matter to make things here in Britain?
It matters because Britain is a recognized trademark. In the company I was before, we were also a member of Made in Britain, and I could see that when we exported abroad, this trademark was really important. It gave you the credibility that this was a product of quality.
When you were a little girl growing up in France, did you ever imagine that you would be helping lead this sort of business and making products in Britain?
No, that was never something I had imagined. I had always wanted to be a chemist and to work in the chemical industry. But the way the chemical industry is evolving in terms of actually being the solution rather than the problem to the environment is something that I've evolved into and I really enjoy.
Is there something very special about being part of a relatively small team building something exciting?
Yes, yes. It isn't a traditional behind the desk role. You have to roll your sleeves and really get stuck in, get passionate about the product, and we don't work in silos. So yes, I am the CEO, but I'm also the team maker when needed, and the marketing person. And you have to go beyond just the one role when you're part of a small team. But it is very exciting to see the result of your hard work.
What is at the heart of this idea, Sandrine?
So 12 years ago, a founder who was active in office supply was selling those 5-gallon water container made from polycarbonate. And he had the idea, what if we could replace those polycarbonate bottles with a plant-based alternative that is more sustainable, more environment friendly? And that is when Floreon's journey started. There is a sense of pride once you see in real life a product that has been made with the material. Yes, absolutely.
Are there any other advantages to the bioplastics over the fossil-based polymers?
Yes, it's the end of life options. So if I take, for example, this laptop in front of me, which is most likely made out of ABS with flame retardant, this one would be either landfilled or incinerated, whereas with Floreon Therma-Tech, the plant-based alternative, we are able to mechanically and chemically recycle the material, especially because the flame retardant additive it's based on are non-hazardous. It's allergen-free, therefore it can be easily filtered out. And with the recycled material, we have run trial, and through 7 cycles, we can still get the right performance with the material.